Good morning everyone. Welcome to this lecture on the rules of using different tenses. In my previous lecture, I discussed the basic concepts of verbs, and today I will focus on the rules of using different tenses. My dear students, tense plays a very significant role in English grammar, and tense is regarded as the soul of English language. And there are 12 tenses in English grammar, and among these 12 tenses, 8 tenses are frequently used, and today I will focus on the frequently used 8 tenses. They are: number 1, present indefinite or the present simple. Present simple. Number 2, past indefinite or the past simple. Number 3, future indefinite or the future simple. Then number 4, present continuous or the present progressive. Number 5, past continuous or the past progressive. Number 6, present perfect. Number 7, past perfect. And number 8, present perfect continuous or the present perfect progressive. These 8 tenses are frequently used, and today I will focus on the rules of using these 8 tenses. First, present simple or present indefinite tense. Present simple or present indefinite. Present simple or present indefinite tense is used to express habitual action, and custom. So, present indefinite tense is used when we find a habitual action or a custom. We can give examples. Habitual action, dogs bark. Then custom, we celebrate the Bangla New Year. So this is our custom. This expresses custom and dogs bark. This is again, present simple or present indefinite tense is used to express general or universal truth. Used to express general or universal, general and universal truth. And the example is number 1, the sun rises in the east. Number 2, water freezes, at 0 degree Celsius. So again, present simple is used to express general and universal truth. Present simple is used to express a state at present time. Used to express a state at present time. And example, he is at the station. Number 2, I am here. So another rule here, present simple is used to express a state at present time, and here you find 2 examples. My dear students, hope all of you know the structure of present simple or present indefinite tense, but in spite of that, I am telling you the structure only to focus on the spelling rules related to this. If the subject is other than third person singular number, then the structure is subject plus base form of verb. Base form of verb or the first form of the verb. If the subject is other than third person singular number, and if the subject is third person singular number, then the structure is subject plus base form of verb of verb plus is or es when the subject is third person singular, and if the subject is other than third person singular number, then this structure will be used. But when you will use is with the verb and when es, you should know this. Otherwise you can use es and es wrongly, incorrectly. Verbs ending ss, sas, cas, x, o. When any verb ends in ss, sas, cas, x or o, then es is added to the verb. I am giving you some examples. ss, progress, and you will add here es, progresses. T, C is teaches. In the same way, mixes, do, does, and publishes, teaches. If the verbs end in ss, ss, cas, x or o, then you will add es, and in other cases you will add only s to the verb. And if a verb ends in y, and if the y follows a vowel, in that case y is omitted and ies is added to the verb. I am giving you some examples. Purify, fy. Here the verb ends in y and the last letter y follows a consonant f, and here when es will be added to this verb, then y will be omitted and in place of y I will be written. The changed verb will be purifies. Here I is in place of y and es has been added. In the same way, I am repeating the rule again. If a verb ends in y and if the last letter y follows a consonant, in that case I will be used in place of y and es will be added to the verb, like this. In the same way, identifies, beautifies, these are the examples. Now, first simple. First simple. Past simple or past indefinite tense is used to express an action that took place in the past. For an action that took place in the past. Example, our liberation war took place in 1971. Again, first simple is used to express an action that continued for some time and is finished. The action continued for some time and the action is finished. Here I am giving two examples. Number one, I attended a seminar on water pollution. Number two, I went to a college. So this is another rule. First simple is used for an action that continues for some time and is finished. Now, the future simple or the future indefinite tense. Future indefinite or future simple is used to express the speaker's opinion assumption and speculations. I'm giving an example. He will probably not attend the meeting. And another example, I'm sure he will come first in the test. This is another example of future simple. And my dear students, sometimes to mean the future expression, some other tenses are used. Present continuous is used to mean the future expression. I'm giving an example. Suppose you want to say that I will go to Dhaka tomorrow. I will go to Dhaka tomorrow. This sentence is in future indefinite tense, but instead of future indefinite tense we can express this in present continuous tense. I am going to Dhaka tomorrow. So sometimes to mean the future expression, present continuous is used. Again, be going to. Going to. Another expression is used to express future expression. For the future expression, be going to is used. I am going to attend I'm going to start a shop. So instead of telling I will start a shop, be going to, here be going to has been used. So be going to, another expression which is used instead of future tenses. I'm going to start a shop.
I have started this lecture with two things in mind. First one is I will discuss all the 8 tenses. Second one is I will finish the lecture within 30 minutes. Now I understand that another lecture is needed to discuss the remaining tenses. So my dear students, I don't want to make the lecture any longer. I would like to finish now. That's all today. The rest will be discussed in my next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.